good afternoon. Nandito ako sa Niño Cho. Ayan, Niño Cohen. And you can see the poster. Malapit na, near the election again. Ayan. This space all electing. They're going to put their name like that. All delegates like that.
starting
again the election. You vote for electing. Ayan, like that. This is election again. Okay, going in your job. Yeah, the building. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.